Hey guys, CR20 here with the second episode of Bloons Super 2. This is my third shot at creating this episode, and every time I get interrupted. So anyway, I've got these upgrades. Just done some grinding in between. It was a bit quick, but oh well. So, I guess we should continue on with level 4. Level 4, Weather the Storm. And yeah, you could see that I've got 19% of the blocks because I had to exit the level. Luckily, I didn't have to redo the whole game. Oh, that's going to be so horrible in the end if I have to do that. Anyway, let's go. Okay then, no upgrades. Okay, just got to pop 800, that should be easy. Lasers! Die, Bloons Die. So yeah, this is actually our introduction to blue blocks. So I didn't actually get to show you what happens when you replay a level. I know, maybe when this recorder I'm using gets upgraded, I'll show you. Because right now you can't do any editing. So I can't really show you the photo. Okay then, Clue Striker. Already got in bronze, don't need to worry. Destroy these tornadoes. Hear this annoying sound effect. And what are these things called again? It's how DNA is arranged, but I don't know how it's called. What it's called. And then these are always a good place to get blops. Oh, vaporize. Yeah. And a wizard at this windmill, I think it is. Not positive, but I think it is. Oh, weaken the balloons while wizard. Instant KO. Okay, and these ones are just really easy. Maybe they're not as easy as I remember them being. Okay then. Get these weird snake-like things. I don't know what they're called in real life, because they usually have things based on real life or in the Bloons Tower Defense games, but I have no idea what that is. Any ideas? Please place it in the comments. I was so close to getting gold. Oh, let's continue. Oh, so close to 1,000 red blocks as well. And I always miss one of these. That basically explains my emotions right now. Parallel universe. And super shots. That's actually a really good one. Don't know why it's first tier. It should be third tier. In my eyes, at least. Okay then, no upgrades can be done. Oops, sorry about that clicking. Level 5, Weather the Storm. I think I'm at the storm now. Well, I am at the storm. I just did a mental eye roll at myself. Get these raindrop-like things. Don't know what that black snake thing is. Don't know why I keep on asking you what they are. Let's just pop them. Oh, that was a lightning bolt for sure. So was that. Oh. Oh yeah, vaporized balloons while there's leads. That is so handy. I think this is the first level with leads, because I don't remember hearing the ding 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 sound effect. Okay, and then pop these blues, these raindrop things. And now there's a tornado. Maybe I shouldn't have destroyed these raindrops. Die, tornado, die. And now there's a rain cloud. Please don't rain on me. And a bomber. Oh my goodness, worst thing I can get right now, really. Even though it's really good against leads, the thing is that it can't pop the thing inside the leads. That's actually really, really good engineering. Kudos to you, Bloons, not blops. It's very, very confusing sometimes when you're trying to speak out aloud about it. And the massive rain cloud. Why is this one not fully led? Golden Mega Block, thank you. I'm definitely coming back to this level when I get the upgrade I'm going to get after this. Don't worry, that won't count as one of the levels I'm going to do. We can deal with a longer episode, can't we? Can't we? Yeah, we can. Okay. It's like, where is the end of the level? Okay. Okay, silver bonus. And turbo boost, which is another nice one. And, I hate this one. I can never use it. No! Okay. I did not mean to pop that, but thanks. Look, no hands. Awesome. And silver beginner. Also storm chaser, because I completed Weather the Storm. Let's go to the lab now. And upgrade this. Laser vision. Can't just yet get plasma vision though. Okay then. Oh, I can upgrade this. Awesome. Let's go out to level 5 again, because I could do much better in level 5. It was actually the first one that I got a diamond on my first time playing. And this is why I wanted to come back. It's almost insta-kill to any weaker balloons. I just want to get a gold, really. I haven't got many since I had to reset. I hate this sound effect. Get rid of it. So, I guess while I'm doing this, may as well talk about the channel. So, maybe in a little bit I may be able to record computer, which means that we'll be able to get things like maybe some Steam things like Undertale and Portal, maybe. And I may even be able to get Minecraft up, which would be nice. And also, since I'm going to be going on holiday, I'm still recording. Yeah. As you may know, Jacob was, well, he was on holiday probably ages ago when you guys see this, but he's actually just gotten back from holiday when I'm recording this. So yeah. Anyway, so while I'm on holiday, I'll probably be playing Minecraft Pocket Edition for you guys with my cousins. Oh my goodness, so close to gold. How could I fail that badly? Well, anyway. Let's go on to level 6, I guess. Don't know why I didn't even say what those were. Okay. Level 6. Take to the skies. I kind of wish that each level had its own unique name instead of just a set amount of levels have that name. Shield balloons incoming. I guess you could pause back then so you could read that if you wanted to. Okay. Get this stream of blue. Don't know why they're all doing right angles at some point. Like, look! Right angle. I want to have a look at one of these shield balloons to see how powerful I am. I'm probably not powerful enough to even get close. Seriously, there was a vaporized balloons when there are no balloons on screen. I should have just let it fall really far, and then I should have gotten it, so I could absolutely destroy that. Oh yeah, wizard. And water strike. Now you can't even see anything on the screen. Got silver. Can I go for gold? Or is it just a dream? Okay. I like those little circle-y shapes. Circle-y shapes is not really a term. I like these circles that go inside and out of each other. Okay, then just destroy all this. It's like a waterfall of blobs now. Or should I say it's a balloon fall, maybe? Because all these blobs, I don't think they look much like water. Okay, just a little bit away from gold. Oh, here are the shield balloons. Forgot about these guys. And I got gold! Yeah! No! Try and hide myself. Okay. End of the level. Which consequently means end of this episode. So, if you liked it, hit that like button. And if you really liked it, please consider subscribing for more. And go check out It's Miller Time. If you don't want to search for that, just search iBlobby. I space BLOBBY. Blobification, at last. I've discovered a method of artificially generating blobs. It takes time and the results vary, but I can begin experimenting whenever you need me. Okay then, I'll just get red blobs. So guys, I'll see you in the next episode. This has been Jai. Goodbye.